What's up, good people? It's Goldie here with Loxitude, and I'm coming on today with the PSA, and the topic today is Microlocks versus SIsterlocks. And can you really tell just by looking at a person's head whether or not they have SIsterlocks or Microlocks? Can you really tell? Can you look at my hair just the way it's hanging? Can you tell I have SIsterlocks versus Microlocks, or the next person? A few quick facts. SIsterlocks is a type of Microlocks. It's a branded type of Microlocks. Let's be clear on that. So when you're sitting here and you're wondering what's the difference when people get Microlocks versus SIsterlocks, yes, there are differences, but SIsterlocks is a type of Microlocks. Let's be clear. Argue with your mama, because I'm not going to argue with you about it. I said what I said. Second, SIsterlocks are not determined by size. You have so many people out here who are pretending to be authorities in this topic because they have all these paid followers and they've got all these inflated likes, and they really don't know. They can't produce any paperwork. They've never taken the SIsterlocks training. All they know is what they've pieced together with all the grid pictures or whatever, and they think they know. Unless they have someone who's inside who took the training and taught them against what they were supposed to be doing. So I'm saying all of this to say, first of all, if you like your hair, isn't that all that matters, whether you have Microlocks or SIsterlocks? Can't tell you how many times I've had people come to me for a second opinion because they felt that maybe they didn't have SIsterlocks. So of course, me being a former active certified consultant, no problem. I'll evaluate your hair, I'll look at it, and I can tell you whether you have SIsterlocks. And believe it or not, several had them. They just had a smaller lock count, and then others didn't have them, okay? Because ultimately, if you pay for something, I do believe you're supposed to get that, and I do believe you should go after that. But if someone put Microlocks in and that's what you paid for, and you like the way your hair looks, what does it matter if someone's telling you that you don't have SIsterlocks or you have Microlocks or whatever? Like, why does that matter? If you like your hair, then that's all that matters. And if you are that easily swayed by someone else's opinion, like somebody that does not pay your bills, who's not putting food on your table, if you're that easily swayed by someone who has no significance in your life, there is a bigger problem besides whether you have SIsterlocks or Microlocks. You cannot look at my hair and tell whether I have SIsterlocks or Microlocks. It just doesn't work like that. So those of you who are loud and wrong, please have several seats and go sit down and quit lying to people. If you're mad because you lost business, because somebody's going over here to this person and for whatever reason you feel in a type of way, go lick your wounds and go sit down. But stop spreading misinformation and stop trying to plant seeds of doubt with people when you don't even have the authority to speak on it. If you're questioning whether you paid for SIsterlocks and actually got SIsterlocks, you need to go to someone who can produce paperwork to show you they've been trained and they can identify whether you have SIsterlocks. Otherwise, tell them people to shut up and go on about your business.